What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Severus
Harry Potter, that's me!
Snape,
Harry,
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 Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape,
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Red wine, use your muscle, carve it out, work it, hustle. I got it, just stay close enough to get it. Don't slow, drive it, clean it, lights out, bleed it, spend the last dough in your pocket.